Bonjour et bienvenue à French learning classes. Today in this video, I will teach you 20 fruits. That means 20 fruits name in French. Okay, as you know that there are some fruits, but here I describe some of them which we have on regular basis, like apple, mango, banana, papaya, okay, etc. So let's get started. First is in pomme. In pomme, which is an apple. In pomme. After that, in banane. In banana, okay, which is a banana. In banana. After that, in mangue. In mangue, a mango. In mangue. Ensuite, a raisin. A raisin, okay, which is grapes. A raisin. In papaye. In papaye, a papaya. In papaye. In poire. In poire, which is a pear. In poire. After that, a ananas. A ananas, which is a pineapple. A ananas. In orange. In orange, an orange. In orange. In fraise. In fraise, a strawberry. In fraise. In goyave. In goyave, a guava. In goyave. Okay, so now repeat again from 1 to 10. In pomme. In banana. In mangue. In papaye. A raisin. In poire. A ananas. In orange. In fraise. In goyave. Okay, so now we will learn more 10 fruits name in French. A kiwi. A kiwi, which means a kiwi. Same in English. A kiwi. In prune. In prune, which is a plum. In prune. In pêche. In pêche, which is peach. In pêche. A abricot. A abricot, which is apricot. A abricot. After that, a avocat. A avocat, which is avocado. A avocat. In cerise. In cerise, which is cherry. A cherry. In cerise. In framboise. In framboise, which is raspberry. In framboise. In mûre. In mûre, which is blackberry. In mûre. A melon. A melon, which is a melon. A melon. And the last one is in myrtille. In myrtille, which is blueberry. In myrtille. Okay, so now repeat one more time from 11 to 20 fruits name. Okay, a kiwi. A kiwi. In prune. In prune. In pêche. In pêche. In cerise. In cerise. A abricot. A abricot. A avocat. A avocat. In mûre. In mûre. In framboise. In framboise. A melon. A melon. And last one, in myrtille. In myrtille. So there are some fruits named in French, and you should learn it, revise it again and again by watching this video, and I will meet you in the next video with new topic, which is vegetable name in French. So stay tuned for learning more, and you can share it, like it and subscribe this video more and more.